Hi guys, in this video we are going to see what is meant by nominal voltage and how it is getting related with the rated voltage or RMS voltage or peak voltage. Okay, yeah, let's get into the topic. And if you like this video, please click the like button as usual. I'm asking, yeah, just go ahead. Yeah, so this is only simple said and a very short video it is. And usually we will get confused what is meant by nominal voltage, why we have to tell nominal voltage levels first of all. And if you see it in some of the equipment's nameplates, you know, in some of the if you say in charger or any electrical equipments, electronic equipments, you can see the rated voltage. That's sometimes we can see it, or operating voltage range they'll say it. Okay, generally you'll say nominal voltage. What is in the nominal voltage? First of all, it's for the, you can see it some 230 volt is nominal voltage and 115 volt is nominal voltage. That's the supply voltage lines they're saying, right? So in simple, if you say it, nominal voltage means it's for general identification for our categorization of the equipment. So this equipment will work in a 230 volt nominal voltage of 230 volt. In the sense it's not exactly 230 only it will work. It have the tolerance also, right? Okay, so that is approximate voltage value assigned for that particular system or component. In this electronic equipment, it will work in this nominal voltage range. So now comes into the, it's for the layman words, or it's not for the, in many textbooks or any books it will be mentioned it, or it's I cannot say it in a layman method. It's a standard value or convenient way of informing to electrical engineer as well as a commercial purpose people for sales team, everybody we can say it. That's a nominal voltage we can say it. Okay, and it doesn't mean that it will work on that equipment or that particular system will work on only in that voltage only. It will have the it has the, that waveform will have some peak as well as some surge voltage. All these fluctuations will happen in real time. Fluctuations will happen. Now come to the rated voltage. What is the rated voltage? You'll see that this equipment will work for this rated voltage, the rated power, they'll say that, or rated voltage. So that manufacturer, the equipment manufacturer assured that his component, his manufactured component is designed and it will operate safely and efficiently for that particular rated voltage. And he may claim that its efficiency of so and so, or it's a power rating, or if you see that motor, he may claim that the manufacturer may claim that his equipment will have efficiency of some X value, and it can handle the power rating of this much and current capability of this much. So with respect to this rated voltage, that's why they'll say the rated voltage of the equipment, if the rated voltage of the component. Okay, so these two things you got identified, right? So, and if it is a nominal voltage, is it equal to the rated voltage, or is it equal to the RMS voltage? What does it mean? That we'll see it first next. RMS voltage also, what's the definition for that? See, root RMS stands for root mean square value. Root mean square, that's what RMS. It is called the DC equivalent for the DC voltage. That's in a simple manner we can say it. Okay, and the relation and the peak voltage. What is the peak voltage means? If you say that average voltage of, that means that nominal voltage of 230 volt, a nominal voltage of 115 volt, you can consider only 230 volt only. Nominal voltage of 230. At what maximum it can go in momentary manner, that means in peak manner it will go, usually sine wave it will go, right? So if you see it, this is a waveform I'm saying. See, I can in this left hand side you can see the 230 volt 50 hertz supply line as well as the 120 volt AC 60 hertz supply line, which is in USA, and which is in the 230 volt line is in Europe and India. Okay, so this 230 is the called RMS voltage or nominal voltage. Okay, usually or most of the cases it's not mandatory, but most of the cases it is our nominal value as well as the RMS value will be the same. Okay, in commercial point or the suppliers, the power supply side, they are saying that nominal voltage up to 30 volt they will say it. Whereas that supply, that equipment manufacturer, his equipment he will rate it as a, my equipment is rated for the 230 volt. Okay, and from this terminology you can understand it, right? So now come to the picture. What is mean by RMS and nominal voltage? RMS we just know, we as we explained it, It's a DC equivalent of the value. Usually you can see it in outside 230 volt supply line. It is 115 volt supply line, 120 volt supply line. Like that they will say, right? Yes, the 230 volt, what they are saying is here, it's a RMS value. Okay, in that's way we can say. And the relationship between the and you can see the sine waveform here, and which are the peak value, it is saying that RMS and peak value relationship will be V RMS is equal to Vm by V peak. That means V maximum saying that Vm V peak by root 2 or V peak into 0.707. This is the relationship between the RMS and peak value. Say for example, if a 230 volt, if we multiplication of this are divided by 1 by root 2, it will come as a 325. Yeah, we can check it out that as well. Just a minute, we can calculator. If you say 230 volt into 1 by root 2, it's nothing but 1.414, right? It is 325. This is the peak voltage. See, for 230 volt RMS, the peak value will be 325 volt. So that is the meaning it's showing here. Okay, so we got clarified. So here he is saying that nominal supply or RMS is 230 volt, and that corresponding peak value will be 325. I mentioned it. This RMS, the tolerance will be there. That means 230 volt supply line, it has the 10% 207 to 253. It can go, the ranges will go, right, due to the transmission line losses, all those points, all those considering those points, it has the ranges. The similar way, 120 volt AC also you can calculate this